Good morning, friends. We'll see problem number 8, which is unsolved problem. The problem is given here, receipts and payment given, and adjustment, 3 adjustment is given. Once again, this problem, they are given to us a very simple problem. That is newly started art circle. Jivan Jyoti Art Circles, a newly established concern, has presented the following information. They are given to us receipts and payment account. In that receipts and payment account is given to us and adjustment. Subscription outstanding for the year 5,000 given. Therefore, tick mark on the subscription year, which is given on the receipt side. And after that, they are given the adjustment furniture. There is a furniture of 12,000, and on that 12,000 furniture depreciation is given at the rate of they are given 10%. Then full amount of admission fees and 50% donation are capitalized. Therefore, subscription tick mark, donation tick mark, and admission fees also you can go on making tick mark there. So this problem is so simple problem. Therefore, we will solve this problem here by means of preparing income and expenditure account and the balance sheet. So simple problem. So for the first time we write there. For the first time we will write there here. Problem number 8 here. And in the books of Jivan Jyoti Art Circle, on the top you can write there. On one page, income and expenditure account for the year ended 31/3/2018. And balance sheet also, Jivan Jyoti Art Circle balance sheet as on 31st/3/2018. So as usual, we write here, salary is the first item here, subscription is the income side first item, capital fund is the first item on the liability side, and asset side, fixed asset we have to write here. So in this problem, just see they are given to us here. The capital fund is not given to us because it is newly started. This is newly started Jivan Jyoti Art Circle. Capital fund is not given because it is commencing, starting for the first time. So they have no capital fund. So here on the liability side you write there capital fund. There is no capital fund. Capital fund, they are not given to us. Therefore, no opening balance. Only so far surplus or deficit, whatever amount coming on the income and expenditure will show there, added there. Now I'll start with the here. There is once again on the payment side no salary also there. We can start for the furniture is there. And furniture, there is asset here, furniture. And on furniture, 12,000 given to us, and there is adjustment of donation here. So I'll take here furniture on the asset side. Furniture asset side, amount is 12,000, less depreciation at the rate of less depreciation at the rate of 10%. I'll take here, cancelling 10, you get there 1,200, and amount goes to the outer column being 10,800 there. So only one furniture given to you. It is a opening commencing. Therefore, there is no opening furniture or no capital fund also there. I'll start with the payment side, which is given for the first item is furniture, and the depreciation is there given to us. We can write down the depreciation at the rate of 10% by cancelling 10. From 12,000 you get there 1,200. That can be deductible here. Here once again no more salary here, therefore I write this amount first here to depreciation. To depreciation on furniture, only one depreciation on furniture, only one asset is there. The amount is 1,200. I take directly outer column there. Because there is no more asset, fixed asset is not there, only one asset there, and we have charged depreciation. That being expenses we can show on the asset side, because depreciation being the non-cash item show on the expenditure side, we show there. Then for the payment side, second item is stationery given to us 4,000. There is no adjustment on stationery. I will take there 2 stationery, 4,000 no adjustment. Just see here 4,000 being stationery, no adjustment, and by this outer column. So I will compare the payment side to the expenditure side. Therefore I will show this stationery 4,000 no adjustment on this ground. Then there goes to us office rent. The amount of office rent is 2,600. There is also no adjustment. to office rent, no adjustment. I'll take this expenditure being an expenses. Amount is 2,600 there. They'll see the given to us on the payment side. Another item will be newspapers and periodicals is given to you 300. Expenses I will write here to newspapers and periodicals Amount is 300 given. So simple problem they asked to us here. Unsolved problem number 8. Jivan Jyoti art circles. So we have to show the newspaper and periodical amount is given 300. Telephone expenses is 560. Two telephone expenses. Telephone expense 560 is the amount. 560 there. After telephone expenses, investment is there 23,000. So investment being asset there, we can show here investment on the asset side. The amount of investment given in the payment side amount is 23,000. Write that 23,000 amount here. After investment, they are given to us cash in hand, which is coming on the asset side, cash in hand, asset side. So amount is given 7,540. Cash at bank is also given to you. Is the bank balance closing? We can take into consideration the closing balance is 30,000. And total amount goes to the outer column 37,540. Otherwise, you can show cash in hand directly outer column 7,540 and cash at bank 30,000. So I'll take the inner column and to take the total summation outer column 37,540 there. So cash in hand and cash at bank I'll show there. So that finished the payment side. We'll see the receipt side, and for each and every adjustment is there for each and every asset. So receipt side. So each and every item there is adjustment. Just see admission fees 22,000 and there is adjustment on third number they are given. Full amount of admission fees and 50% donation are capitalized. So I'll take here by admission fees. Admission fees. The amount of admission be given on the receipt side. I'll make comparison to the receipt on the income side there. Admission fees. The amount is 22. It is fully capitalized. Therefore, less admission fees. Admission fees fully capitalized. It means 22,000 completely capitalized added to the capital fund there. So I will here write here nil amount and here add admission fees fully capitalized. Amount is 22,000. Whereas there is no capital fund because it is the starting for the first time the Jivan Jyoti Art Circle, no more capital fund, then it will be fully capitalized 22,000 coming. Nil and donation fees fully capitalized. So deducted there on the income side and fully adding to the capital fund there. After that, we'll see now the next item which is given to us is subscription, there is adjustment. Subscription is given to you 40,000, adjustment number 1, outstanding for the year. So I have to add there. By subscription. So subscription, the amount of subscription given to us is 40,000. Add outstanding subscription. Outstanding subscription given for the first adjustment, outstanding subscription for the current year. Subscription for the current year. The amount is given Adjustment number 1, 5,000. The total amount goes to the outer column. Moreover, adjustment on subscription 45,000. And outstanding subscription so far added here, that can be shown on the asset side. Therefore, on the asset side, outstanding subscription for the current year, we have to show there on the asset side, adding to the subscription on the income side and show on the asset side, amount being 5,000 there, 5,000. Then after subscription donation, 50% they are given to us the capitalized. Therefore, I write there donation on the income side, by donation. The amount of donation given in the problem is 18,000 donation, whereas the donation is less 50% capitalized. 50% donation capitalized means added to the capital fund, but in this problem no capital fund. So 50% of 18,000 being 9,000, 9,000 go to the outer column, and this and 9,000 here, add donation 50% capitalized. Donation 50% capitalized. We must show then capitalization of donation there. So this being 9,000. We have deducted 9,000, here added 9,000. Once again it is coming 0, 0, 9, and 9 and 1, 11 carries 1, 31,900. 31,000 here, not 900. So just here, first 0, second 0, third 0, 9 plus 1. 9 plus 2, 11 carries 1, 31,000. 22 plus 9 is 31,000. It is coming there. After this donation, receipt is over and payment is also over. Just we'll see what else remains here in this collection. So there will not be subscription is added and shown on the asset side. Depreciation is deducted from this fixed asset and shown on the here on the income expenditure side. That is to depreciation on furniture 1,200. After this, they are given to depreciation, then full amount of admission we have deducted, less full amount added here, capital fund. There is no opening balance of capital fund, therefore 22,000 added there, it will be additions 22. And the donation is also 50% capitalized, therefore I show here donation, by donation 50% capitalized, added here 50%. And there is a subscription here, by subscription 40,000, outstanding subscription for the current year 5,000. I'll add it and put it out here, whereas this outstanding subscription I can show on the asset side of the balance sheet there. After showing all these things, everything is over. Now we have to ascertain whether we have got profit or whether we have got surplus or deficit on this ground, we'll see. So if you see looking to the credit side, so credit side is also heavier in this connection. Take the total here, first 30, and 9 plus 5 is 14, carries 1 and 54,000 is the total. So this total 54,000 income side, 45 plus 9 is 54. I'll put the same here, 54,000, and I assert in the balance. To surplus, in the bracket excess of income or expenditure. Income or expenditure, so simple problem beyond your unsolved problem, excess of income over expenditure. So we'll get here surplus, excess of income over expenditure. Surplus in bracket excess of income or expenditure, we are certain here. First we want 0 there, put 0 here. Second, 6 is there, 6 and 4, 10, carries 1. 6 and 4, 10 carries 1. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 and 3, 9, 9 and 6, 15. 15 and 2, 17 and 3 is equal to 20 this. Then you get the carries 2. 2 to 4, 4, 4, 8 and 9. 9. So there is a 9 means you want there 14. 9 plus 5 is 14 there. Then carries will be 1 there. 1 and 4, 5 there. 45,340. So surplus you are getting 45,340. Just we'll get confirmation for this by addition of this surplus. We'll see 54,000 whether it is the correct coming or not. We'll see. First is 0, 6 plus 4, 10 carries 1, 4, 9, 12, 12 and 6, 18 and 20 carries 2, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 and 2, 9, 9 and 4, 13 and 14 carries 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 54,000. Correct it is. Then we have to add here on the capital fund, add surplus. Add surplus which is excess of income or expenditure. Income or expenditure being surplus here. That will get there 45,340. 45,340 will get there. 45,340. Now I'll take this total and put it out. First is 0 there. Next is 4 and 3. 4 plus 5 plus 1 is 6 there. And 4 plus 3 is 7. 76,340. So that total of the addition of that surplus, and this is the only one figure, so I'll take here 76,340 liabilities. So simple problem. And we'll take the total assets side, that is also equalized. So first is 0 there, second 4, and here 5 plus 8, 13, carry 1 there, 6 and 7, 13, 13 and 16 there, 16, carry 1, that is 4 and 2, 6 and 1, 7, 76,340. So simple problem here. And just see here in this connection, this is a newly established, newly started, newly commencing Jivan Jyoti circle. Therefore, there is no capital fund. Therefore, admission fee is fully capitalized as well as donation 50% capitalized, and whatever amount of surplus we have to add there and show there. So 76,340. No more item on the liability side. So that is the same total coming there. Only one figure, 76,340. Now we'll equalize, and so it will be equalized assets. Assets also get telling there. Just first 0. Second is 4 there. 5 plus 8, 13 carries 1, 6 and 13, 16, 16 carries 1, 4 and 2, 6 and 1, 7, 76,340 equalized. So simple problem. So we'll finish this problem and that concludes the problem. We'll wait here and we'll see the next problems in the next period. Thank you.